He thought it was a job interview.
How you doing, Uncle Darius?
Come on. Huh?
How you doing, Uncle Darius?
So tell us about the job position. My assistant, she told me that you're looking for a job.
Yeah, I was looking to help out. You know, you said I was looking for like a position as an assistant. You know, I was kind of, I saw it on the application. You know, I just went under and submitted my application, and y'all called me up here.
What do you experience at? What do you do? What do you do?
Oh, I'm a bank teller. You know, I'm a bank.
Where do you work at now?
Like I'm currently not employed right now. Like
Keep going.
I used to work at this little warehouse company. You know,